It's Wes from Wes Almeida Restorations, and I'm looking to do a pair of white Air Force 1s. They're really dirty and they need a good cleaning. Also going to see if I could possibly do something with the soles, see how yellow they are, and see if we can possibly put them in the icebox. Definitely got to see if we can get some of the stain out of the shoe. So first of all, we're going to take the laces out, take the insoles out, and get the clean. So I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I'm going to try to start working on that. I've just been really busy with work, the real job, and family stuff. So hopefully I can get time enough to where I can get back into doing some of these videos. I'm going to take the laces and put them in a different bowl of water so they can pre-treat, and then we can get started on the shoes itself. The insoles will come out. Alright, yeah, they're pretty wrecked as well. We're going to start with our 3 bristles Rejuvenator. I have a soft, medium, bristle, and stiff. So we're going to start with the soft bristles. We're going to take it to the outside, the sock liner, take care of some of this stuff inside, and go from there. So let's get started. Black stuff in there. That's a lot of sock lint. Looks like he wears black socks with white sock cleaners. Right now I'm using my tweezers, not really picking at it, but just at least scraping some of the lint so it gets a little more loose away from the fibers. You know, if you're not comfortable with this side, you can use the back side where it's soft and rounded. Try not to rip your sock liner at all. So the outside is pretty good. Take the medium bristle brush and we're going to take it to the midsoles. But I'm going to give it an attempt with the stiff bristle brush. See if it's since it's a little harder, maybe it'll scrape off some of that yellowing stain that's there. So let's give that a try. Anyway, we're going to skip that for now. We'll see if we can touch that up a little bit later. I'm using the soft bristle brush for the insoles, and they got a lot of footprints on them, and I'm trying to get some of it off. It's not coming, so I have a little bit of a bleach water mix sprayed on them, see if that helps a little bit. Maybe it'll do a little bit more in the washing machine, but we're working on it. I don't know if you can see it over here, all this little pile over here, that's lint, all the sock lint that I pulled off of it so far. Probably have to go do a second round of it after they come out of the wash. But that's where we are for now. So I'm going to grab the bag and the shoes. So we're going to put our shoe trees in, help keep our toe box stiff while it's in the washing machine. We already sized them out, so we know that they're already for a size 12. Okay. So it's a little bit stiffer, and I'll take care of the little toe box after it comes out as well, when they're still soaking wet, or not soaking wet, but wet from the washing machine. We do not put them in the dryer. We let them air dry. And just a reminder, when you put them in the washing machine, you don't put hot water on them. I don't think it's as bad with the Air Force 1s because they're not just glue, they're actually stitched, so it helps some, but I wouldn't trust it. Yeah, they do take a size 12, but they'll just give you difficulties today. Okay, like I said, insoles. them go in there. And our laces, they've been in this water with a little bit of a OxyClean as well. The water's pretty dirty, and we've been needing them here and there. Got a lot of black stuff on them still, so that's probably going to have to picked off once they come out of the washing machine. So one on one side, one on the other, so get a little bit more work done. And this part's done. So now we're going to take them to the washing machine and let the wash do this part. And when they come back out, I'll start doing some more on the sock liner and see if we can get them back to being fresh and clean. Alright, it's only going to take a few seconds for you, but it's going to take about an hour for me. So see you then. There they are out of the washing machine. Got some shaping to still have to do, so while the shoes are still wet. So we're going to start doing that shaping now. So I'm going to spray these down so that the bleach part can soak into the insoles, and then we will start on the shoes part. Sometimes I like to restuff the toe box area with some socks. I know I was picking the lint out of them before and it was dark, but that's what I use. I use sometimes white t-shirts. Alright, it's time to put the shoes in the icebox, and this is the icebox that I made myself. It wasn't real hard, used household items, real easy, big box, aluminum foil, some tape. Real easy to make, but if you're interested in making one yourself, you can look at some of my other videos. It's on there as well. And so now we're going to put our shoes in. We don't have to worry about setting our blocks up because the shoes are just going to be sitting up there like this. Usually I have some blocks that if I want to do bottoms of the shoes or whatever, I can set them upside down like this, and I put the blocks under the shoes so that it sits level. But we don't have to worry about that today. We're just doing the midsole. Alright, so that's in there. You can see the light. We'll come back in about 8 or 12 hours or whatever, something like that, and we'll do a check, see if we're getting any of the yellowing coming off, and if we need to do a reapply for the 50 volume, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we can get some of this yellowing off and it gets back to closer to a white, and we'll check back soon. Talk to you. All right, the AF1's are done. I had them in the icebox for 2 different days, and they came out really nice, real white. So the customer's definitely going to be happy. They were almost a yellow before, so he's going to definitely be happy. Make sure if you like this video, you hit the thumbs up button, that's the like button. Subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that notification bell so that you get all the videos when they come out. I am going to start putting out more videos. I have to get back in track on getting the stuff out. I know I've been working a lot with my regular job, but I got to get back into making some videos. Comment if you have some comments about something you could have done better, or something that you'd like to even see me make a video on. I am looking into possibly getting to a different business name. I know West Almeida Restorations is what I've come to now, and a lot of people know me by that now. And I've gotten quite a few business things, situations from it as well, but a couple ideas in mind, so we'll see. So here comes the before and afters. Here they come. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Hope you like how it come out. Check me out for other stuff in case you're looking for other things to be done. As always, I appreciate your support. Peace.